Kiimai Māori Aoitepö. Kiimai Māori Aoitepö. Celebrate your absolute uniqueness. Thank you and welcome to our page. Welcome to a new season with Kiimai Māori Aoitepö, where I encourage you to celebrate your absolute uniqueness. Not only to Kiimai, to speak Māori, but to be Māori. But not only be Māori and be brown, but be white, be whatever colour you want, but be your absolute authentic self. Turn up as you are. Many faces, our atua had many faces. Tāne te waiora, tāne te pūpuke, tāne rore. So tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be tani whāti, doing a big mihi and a shout out to you. Thank you for coming along to our page. It's not health and fitness, it's all of the above. It's te reo, it's tikanga, it's whatever. Kiimai Māori Aoitepö. Drop down below, leave me a comment, give me a big chur Māori tūturu Aoitepö. Tell me what's coming up for you, what you're looking for this season in Koanga Spring. What's your reason? He aha tō pūtake. What's important to you this season? Yeah, and let me know where you're coming from. And in the meantime, I'll sing a song. We had to write one in Māori, so I borrowed one in English. I'll sing it in English as a welcome to you here, and then I'll do it in my own exclusive way in te reo Māori. Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess. Miracles, I guess. Still happen now and then. Still happen now and then. Step into my heart. Step into my heart. Leave your cares behind. Leave your cares behind. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Built with you in mind. Built with you in mind. Just knock on my door, kia ora tipu. Knock and the door will open. Seek and you will find. Ask and you'll be given the key to this world of mine. I'll be standing there with my arms unfurled. Welcome to my page, built with you in mind. No mai haere mai, ki te ao marama, mi haro rawa ke, tu tonu tiara. Ka uruhia mai, ka waiho tiara. No mai haere mai, moku mou mona. Patohia katu wheratia, rapua ka kitea, tono atu ki te atua, nana te ao marama. E tu tonu nei, ke tonu tiara. No mai haere mai, ko au, ko koe, ko ia. Nau mai, haere mai, ko au, ko koe, ko ia. Kia tuturu whakamaua kia tina, tina, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. You're welcome. And leave your comment below. Chur Māori Tūturu, where you coming to me from. Nice to have you here. See you some more soon. You're welcome.